Alright, so I thought I'd do a little video on the 350 Odyssey that I'm putting together for a very nice guy. Alright, I refer to him as Doc. So, Doc chose to go with a front and rear Farr suspension, which is alright. Equal opportunity. He's a customer, and whatever he wants, we're going to make happen. So far, he's chosen the 3-link rear Farr. We're still waiting for some parts. He wants to put Fox 2.0s all around. There's some things I want to point out, right? If the Farr components do not come with instructions, so those who are mechanically inclined, it shouldn't be too bad. I want to show this area, the frame, all right? When Manny did his buggy, he had originally stretched it 6 inches, I believe, is what I read. And then he shrunk it 3 inches, so it's still extended 3 inches. If you look at the mount here, as Manny has it, you'll see he has the bars running up this way and down that way, which is fine. I chose to cut into the factory bar, okay, and cope them here, and put this tube here. It just comes, it's a real nice setup, all right? So everything's gonna be TIG welded. Manny does a nice job with his kits. Everything's machined. There's the hub that he uses. You can see where the disc brake bolts. Right now, just for checking some distances, the suspension uses a RZR 900 rear setup. And I have a factory Walker Evans 900 shock on there. Just to compare and look at spacing and travel, etc. versus the Fox Air that's on there. This is another area that was interesting to do. I'll say the way it comes is you have this, it looks 3/8, 5/16. I don't know, I didn't measure it. But you weld this piece to the plate and I tap through. All right, there's no nut on the other side. And this capture plate holds the back on. You know, I don't mind showing his name, man, he's a good guy. So, this should be real nice when it's done. Okay, we did power steering on this one, but I cut it into, kind of cut it into the factory column. The only thing left of the factory column is the bottom here. Alright, everything was indexed, Delrin bushings made, custom couplers, a mount, this setup, a pilot wheel, simplify the braking. I'll show you some other pieces here, because you're not going to find much about it on the net. That's Manny's brake caliper that bolts there. Real nice machined piece. His hub looks like this. Okay, and it'll go into the RZR bearing that goes there. And then he has this machined wheel adapter, which will go on. So it looks something like this when it's assembled. And the brake disc bolts onto the back here. Alright, so this will be up and in there. Okay, like that. It's not bad. I'll get it together and I'll make another video. I just wanted to share this with everybody. Actually, the Eminem song was on, and some crap I dealt with this week with some jealous people. Yeah, it kind of made me feel like I should do some sharing. Alright, great.